Okay, there is nothing scarier than being alone on a road trip and hear the loud, weird noise coming from the engine. See, look, my check engine light was on. That's always a problem. So I'm driving down the freeway and my truck sounds like... Turns out this tiny part is the culprit. Looks like the purge valve is bad, messed up. So I stopped at O'Reilly, grabbed the part. It was $23. You know, when you come to O'Reilly, they allow you to use their tools for free. So according to the YouTube videos, these are the only two things that I need in order to fix this. So here we go. Okay, it took me less than a minute to unscrew both of these screws from the purge valve, remove it from the engine block, and using this little pick, I was able to unclip the little clipping so that I could disconnect the purge valve from its hose. Bling! Bling! There we go. It's off. Next thing I did was compare the old one to the new one, replace it, going in reverse, and just like that, voila, I was done. Okay, I'm back in the truck. I'm gonna start it up. We'll see if this is the solution from the car window. Okay, so I'm driving out the parking lot of O'Reilly right now. I am not feeling the same stuttering sensation that I was feeling a few minutes ago just from driving out the parking lot. So I'm on the main street. Oh my God, the stuttering has completely stopped. That's what the problem was. $23. It took me literally 20 minutes to stop at the O'Reilly's, get the part, and get out of there. Thanks, O'Reilly. Thanks, YouTubers, for putting the directions to how to fix this on YouTube. You guys rock. And I'm on my way. Bye.